Welcome back, everyone. Now, before we get started, I just wanted to tell you one more thing about the format of this course. The lectures are going to be really short, and over time, a lot of my students have said that this is the preferred way to go. The reason why I like super short lessons is that you can go to the next lesson whenever you have a spare moment or two. And sometimes if you have, let's say, a really long course, let's say, or a really long lecture, that's something like an hour or something like that, you pick up where you left off, where in this case you can just simply listen to a tutorial now and there if you have a minute or two. If you're commuting, you can go ahead and listen to them, etc. The other thing is that everything is nice and neat. The way I structure these lessons is that it's very nice and neat, and you can go back to it. So if there was something, for example, paragraph tag, we can go to a lesson with a paragraph tag, etc. All right. So the first thing we need to do is we need to set up an HTML body. Now, if we take a look at JSBIn here, you'll see that at the top we have HTML, CSS, JavaScript, console, and output. Now, you can click the console here, but we won't use that. In fact, I do have courses for CSS and JavaScript, and you can just message me if you want to get into those. But you'll see that the way this works is that you can see that there's HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and if we type something in here, so if we type in, something in here, it comes up in the output here, and you can kind of see that here. It comes up right there, right? And that's not necessarily the way HTML is done. We have to actually physically set up the body and everything like that. But the way JSBIn works is that it renders the program in real time, meaning that if I type in something in HTML and some code, it's going to render in the output in real time. So I'm just going to go ahead and close those two, because the only thing we need to worry about here is the output. Okay, so JSBIn, what it does is it renders everything in real time, and that's awesome because you can test as much as you want. Okay, we're gonna set up the body in the next tutorial. I'll see you guys next time.